Hey, welcome back to the channel. Just a real quick tip here, bit of a time saver. If you're working on your track and you're trying to come up with a stab maybe somewhere within the track, I'm using sequencers here from Robotic. What you'll find is this little tip might save you a bit of time while you're auditioning sounds, while you're trying to build up your track. So as an example here, I've got this loop that I'm putting together. Then what I'm working on here, if I turn the bypass off here, is I've got these 32 steps here in sequencer, and I'm wanting something to fire here on 31, so you get this. Okay, so if I don't like that sound, I've obviously got a Europa wired in here. I can scroll through these as I'm auditioning, or maybe tweaking particular values on this synth. But if you're doing that every 32 round, it's going to burn through your time while you're trying to find that right sound that fits. So one of the things that I do here, and you could probably do this with matrix pattern sequencer as well, is to drop an extra fire in here so that you're not waiting as long, and you can get two auditions out of one loop, if that makes sense. So if I don't have that in, when I run this, then I have to wait for it to spin around again. Whereas if I drop one in here, I can get two auditions here. So as it fires here, I can listen to this one and I can change it. So that just saves you a bit of time instead of waiting every time for that to fire. Or of course the other alternative with sequencers, you drop this to 16 and then you can fire it here. So same sort of thing. And then when you find the sound that you like, you can obviously roll it out and put it back where it was. So that's a super quick tip there, how to save a little bit of time while you're trying to build up that track rather than waiting as you're auditioning different sounds with the different synths and the devices. If you like the content putting out, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.
Yeah.